humiliating means past and future form of can. Suppose I say I can do this work, okay, but when I say I could do this work means I could do this work before now, okay, before some day or before some month or before some year, and I say I could do this work tomorrow means I cannot do it now, I can do it in future. So for could is used for future or past form of can. Okay, inferior means lower in rank, superior means high in rank, and inferior means lower in rank. Opposite of superiority is called inferiority. Next is introvert. Introvert is a person who is shy, okay, who is very shy person, and who is very quiet, who does not talk much, and who is very shy and prefers to spend time alone. Okay, he does not like to spend time with some other person. Then it is called introvert. Okay, so let's go to next words. Okay, then will start our chapter. So in this chapter, uh, this story, okay, this story happened long ago. I suppose means I believe plants and animal could talk like human being. When human and animal beings were able to talk, one morning a young elephant took a walk through the forest. Okay, young elephant was taking walk through the forest, enjoying fresh air. He was very happy. Suddenly, means without expected, he heard some giggle. Okay, someone means someone was laughing. The elephant stopped and looked around. An yellow flower was trying to hide a smile. Okay, means she was she was trying to hide a smile, means that flower wanted to laugh, but she was hiding her smiling. So elephant said, "What's the matter?" "I see you are a freak," said the flower, means you are different. "Me a freak?" cried the elephant. "What do you mean?" "Yes, a freak," shouted the flower. "You have not got any petals or leaves." "It's you who are a freak," said the elephant. "You don't have a trunk." Okay, this is called trunk. This is the trunk of elephant. So it's who you are a freak, said the elephant. "You don't have a trunk, neither do you have legs." Okay, so elephant replied, "You are a freak, I am not a freak. I have trunk, I have legs. You don't have legs and trunk." So let's see what happens. So flower said, "No, I am not freak. Look at the plants and trees and flowers. They have leaves and petals like me. We are not freaks." The elephant walked away quietly. Okay, so that was the conversation. After that, elephant walked away from there, and "I am a freak," he thought. "I don't have leaves or petals." He felt ashamed of himself. Okay, he was very ashamed of himself. He went and hid himself behind some bushes. Okay, झाड़ियों के पीछे वो जाके छुप गया. Bushes means झाड़ियाँ. Next, an older elephant was passing by, and seeing the young elephant hiding behind the plants, asked, "My dear young fellow, what are you doing there?" So young elephant said, "I am ashamed of myself." Okay, "I am shameful of myself. I am a freak." So older elephant asked, "Who said you are a freak?" "The yellow flower over there. She said that I am a freak because I don't have petals." So the older elephant laughed. "Ha ha ha. My dear fellow, it's the flowers and trees that have petals and leaves. We are elephants. We have trunks and legs. Flowers are flowers and elephant are elephants," said the older elephant. So, after hearing this, the young elephant was impressed by what the senior elephant said. And he said, "I am an elephant, I am not a flower," he said to himself. He came out the hiding place and walked along with the wise old elephant. So, this was the story of elephant, students. I hope you have understood what this means. Everybody is unique. Okay, some people have some different talents, one has different talents, other person has different talents. So let's see what this story tries to tell us. So as human being we are unique and special. Okay, so all human beings are unique and special. There is no second person exactly like you. You are created with certain special capacities. You are created with some certain means some special capacities. Okay, means something you can do, something you have, unique quality, unique talent. You are responsible for your own success or failure. Okay, you cannot say that that person is unique, that person has a unique quality, that's why he succeeded. No, every person has unique quality. Okay, that person does not has only unique quality. So other of course can help you to some extent, means other person can help you to some degree or some level, but success or failure ultimately means finally depends upon your confidence. On your confidence, you can build self confidence only. You can build self confidence only if you understand who and what you are. Okay, so you can build self confidence only if you understand who you are. Sometimes you may experience that others try to take away your self confidence. They may point out your defects. Okay, they may point out your weakness and negative points, make fun of you. It could be a humiliating experience. Okay, humiliating means making someone feel ashamed. So it may be shameful experience. You may also compare yourself with others. You could then develop a kind of inferiority complex. What is students inferiority complex? Inferiority complex means thinking that I am of lower standard. Okay, that person, other person is of higher standard, higher level, but that is not the case. A person with such a complex may withdraw himself and become an introvert. Okay, so that person who thinks that they are inferior, who become introvert and they do not talk to other person, he would not like to relate with others and would thus miss all the good opportunity to progress in life. Okay, so those person who thinks that I am not like other person, they become introvert, they feel shy, they are quiet. So just remember, you are unique person, a special child of God. Okay, child of God. You are precious in his eyes. Okay, precious means anmol, special in his eyes. So students, you have to write important words and question answer in your copy, and you have to also write how this complete the followings, fill in the blanks. So I will explain you question answers. You have to do this B number. Okay, you have to fill the blanks. So let's see that question answer. So first question says, what does freak mean? So freak refers to animal or plants having seemingly oddity. Means कोई दिखने में अलग हो, oddity means अलग हो, और seemingly means दिखने में. So if that animal or plants looks different, that is called freak. Why did the elephant go into hiding? So elephant went into hiding because he felt ashamed of himself. Who is responsible for your success or failure? So answer is we ourselves are responsible for our success or failure. Then next question, what does on what does your success depends? So students, our success depends on ourselves. And last question, how can you build your self confidence? So we can build our self confidence if we understand who we are. Okay, if we can build our self confidence if we understand who we are. So that were our question answer. You have to do fill in the blanks. Then students, this discuss and think part. Okay, this discuss and think part, you have to think and discuss in YouTube. Okay, so C question says refer the dictionary and write down the meaning of freak. Okay, in YouTube you have to write what is the meaning of freak and tell your friends. It means write in YouTube what do you understand by the word freak as used in the story of the elephant. If someone calls you freak, what would you think, feel, and do? So write in YouTube if someone calls you freak, what you would do. Okay. And says, have you at any time felt like the elephant? Have you any time felt like elephant? Have somebody told you that you are different? Have you any time behaved like flower? Or you have any time behaved like flower or any time felt like elephant? Let me know in comment box. It will be very interesting if you'll comment in YouTube. Okay. So have a great day, students, and complete your copies. See you in next video.